If you sell, build, develop, or market real estate, HD Bros is your real estate marketing partner. For over a decade, we've helped real estate professionals showcase properties and grow their brands through professional photography, video, aerial media, 3D tours, floor plans, and marketing content. We work with residential real estate agents and teams, brokerages, builders and developers, and commercial real estate companies. Whether you're marketing a single home, a new development, a commercial property, or managing hundreds of projects across multiple markets, we're built to make the process simple, consistent, and reliable. But we're more than just a photography and video company. Our goal is to be a true marketing partner, helping you create better content, market your properties more effectively, and ultimately grow your business. Take a look around, explore what we offer, and when you're ready, we'd love to help with your next project.